In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Buy Now button to your listings on Facebook Marketplace. If you're selling products on Facebook, this feature can significantly boost your sales by providing a smoother transaction process for your customers. So let's jump right in and explore how you can set this up easily. First things first, to begin, you need to open Facebook on your preferred browser or the app. Once you're logged in and on your home page, let's slot over to the Marketplace section. This is where the magic happens. Now, moving to the next step, we need to locate the Edit Action button. This button is typically found on your listing page, and it's your gateway to customizing how buyers interact with your products. Once you've identified the Edit Action button, give it a click. Next, you'll see an option to Add button. Clicking on this is crucial as it allows you to start the integration process of the Buy Now feature. Now, this step might seem straightforward, but it's pivotal in setting up your marketplace for transactions. Continuing from here, you're just one step away from adding your product listings to your shop. What you have to do now is click on View Shop. This will take you to the interface where all products you wish to sell are showcased. Now that you're in your shop, you'll find a Next button. Go ahead and click it. This helps you proceed to the next stage, bringing you closer to completing your setup. Staying within the shop settings, you will be prompted to click on another feature called Shop on Facebook. This is essentially the base of your online storefront on this platform. By interacting here, you're essentially linking your products directly to the Buy Now button functionality. Now, there will be another Next button visible to you. Click on it to continue. At this stage, you're almost there. The next crucial step is focusing on adding your products. You'll see an Add Products button here. This is it, the final piece of the puzzle. By clicking it, you're enabling your shop with all the products you want to offer, and here you can edit each item to include the new Buy Now button. By following these steps, you've successfully configured your Facebook Marketplace to include a Buy Now button on your shop pages. This feature will allow buyers to directly purchase your products right away, making the shopping experience quick and efficient for both you and your customers. I hope you found this guide helpful. Now go ahead and enjoy the enhanced sales experience on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and guides.